Hey guys, so this is our project for the EthForAll submission. We named it Scholars Web Realm. It is basically a platform for writers or scholars to publish their research papers, get reviews on them, and trade them. Uh, so I'll just show you how we can connect. We added Arcana wallet that enables user for onboarding users using their email. Uh, you can enter your email and get the link to connect your wallet. It will provide a non-custodial wallet to you. I'll just go with MetaMask, and from this section you can buy the research paper that are previously published. You can view more details from here: the price, number of the reviews, address of the deployer, name, and the description. Or you can review papers and enter any review to it from here. In this section you can see all your published papers. By clicking the publish button, these papers will be available in the buy tab for the others to buy. On every action there is a notification sent to all the reviewers, all the users on our DApp, for any upcoming event, if any new paper is published, or a seller will be notified if any users buy his paper. And there is an also incentive schemes for the reviewers. Reviewer will be getting 25% of the share of the paper, means 25% of the amount of the paper sale will be distributed among the reviewers, and remaining 70% will be given to the author and 5% for the platform fee. So from here he can upload or publish their paper name, description, and choose a file, and then publish. So this is our basic platform where scholars can publish their research paper and get reviews on them and then trade them. So thank you guys.